My name is Brandon Clingan. I'm from Cloud, Michigan, and racing's in my blood. Back in 2010, that was the first time I saw an Ultra4 video. And I knew after I saw it, that was where I needed to be. So cut back to about 3 years ago now, was when I brought home my 1968 Jeepster Commando, now dubbed the Ultra4 Jeepster. It was 3 years of research, design, and building. That's 3 years of blood, sweat, and tears to hand build this thing. I have no fear when I'm behind the wheel. It's actually where I feel most alive. Adrenaline is the fuel for my soul. I do best under pressure in almost any instance. Being a 4800 car, a few tweaks here and there, we'll be ready for 4400 class. We're gonna come out there and we're gonna give it all that we've got. I'm here to make my dream become a reality. So in any case, we'll see you out on the lake bed at the 2023 King of the Hammers.